friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to analyze all the stocks in the FNO segment, and I will also tell you about little theory by which you can also analyze it. So we will talk about a W-shaped pattern which will be formed in most of the stocks, and once that pattern is formed, you will know when to buy. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and there are a lot of videos here, so you can watch them. So let's get started. So uh, let me draw a pattern first, how it will look and how you can recognize that in a chart. So if this is a price and it is falling, so you will see that price will take a U-turn, and this is not the time. When this U-turn happens, this is not the time to buy the stock. After this U-turn, there will be a dip in the price, and this is the time to be watchful. So now if you mark the high, this is the high and this is the low. We will buy the stock when price goes above this high, and if price again goes before this low, so we will not do any investment in that stock. So suppose the price went after this, went like this. So once the price goes above this point, this will be the time when to invest in this stock. So now let us look one by one all the charts of FNO stocks. So I have already placed them in my list. Let me go to that list. So we will analyze the weekly charts mostly of the stocks. So let me go step by step. So first stock, I have all the list of the stocks here. So first stock which we will analyze is like PNB. So like we discussed in that diagram, do you see any W shape? This is the diagram. So there was a point, and once price went above this, we want to buy that stock. So do you see similar in this? No, this is the point above which if price goes, then we will buy it. So that point in PNB, see this 38.67. So once price goes above it, then it will complete the W pattern in this stock and we will buy it. And what exactly is the target of this pattern? The pattern is the total length of from the bottom. So if this is 26.27 and this is around 38, so around 12 rupees you can expect up to 50 once price goes above this. So in this way the W shape pattern works, and we can buy in this manner. Next stock, which is it is Tata Power. So Tata Power hit, like if you see a W shape pattern in this, see whatever we discuss, this was a pattern, and once the breakout happened above that, see this is the length 37 to 27. So 10 rupees up move was possible, but the right time to buy is not when breakout happens. See, breakout happens and the price went to 44. Now we know that according to the pattern the price can go up to 47, 48 rupees, but already 40 up to 44 the price has went. So we will wait for the retracement up to this line. So once this retracement is, and so you have often heard buy on dips. So this is the dip. When the breakout happens, there is a volume behind this. So once breakout happens, you will buy on the dips. So this was a time to buy because you can clearly see there's a W bottom breakout like we discussed in this pattern. So once price goes above this, this is the time to buy. Now let us analyze another chart. Third stock is MGL. So do you see the W pattern? Yes, definitely. This was the move, and if you consider this as the bottom, 857 to 980 to 1, so around 130 points up move was there, and which I, as per me, is already op- achieved in this. So that's why this profit booking is there. So this in stocks which W pattern happens, we will see that in almost all the stock this pattern is visible. Same pattern will be visible in almost all the stocks. So when exactly to buy after the breakout, you can see this was a retracement here, retracement, and this is the time to buy. Breakout, retracement, then buy. Target, total length of the bottom. We can also take this as the width of the pattern, but if we want to be conservative, then let's take this, and this target will be achieved very quickly also. So in this case it is achieved, and we will wait for further price action in this stock. Like if it goes above this, then this will be a different W pattern, this will be a bigger W pattern, and the target will be become bigger. So wait for this breakout. Another stock is Yes Bank. So Yes Bank is really a well destroyer for most of the people, and it's not wise to put money in this, because you see again and again the price keeps on falling and falling. So for the W pattern, there is no sign of any W pattern in this, and for the W pattern, it has to go above this, above 48. Then only there will be a completion of W pattern. See this, there is one part and now retracement, and it has broken this part. So once it moves about this 48, then there will be a big breakout in this, but that is very less likely to happen right now. So we will leave this talk. Let us analyze Bharat Forge. So this was the pattern in this. The price went above, but then see, instead of falling the W, the price went down. So in this diagram, we said that if price while retracing goes below this point, so we will not invest. So if you see the chart, once it goes below this point, we will not invest, and see the price fell. Now if we want to buy in this stock, what we have to see the W pattern, and see the W pattern was formed here. See this, so this is a W pattern which is formed. So can you see the target? What is the target? Target will be, if we take this 200 to 3, so around 100 rupees up move is was the target, and you see above 327 the target is almost achieved, and so right time to buy this point when price retraces to the neckline. I hope this is getting clear, and you can see easily in each and every stock this W pattern is formed. So next stock is Jubilant Food. So let us see if we see any W pattern in this. So we don't see any W pattern right now. See, because breakout will be, this is the top. Once it goes above this point, so it will be a W pattern, but this is already in an uptrend. So one point we have to observe is that W point breakout means the end of downtrend. But see, you see this, and this stock is not in downtrend, and this is in uptrend only. So this W pattern will not hold much meaning in this, because W pattern means the end breakout like this. This was a W pattern here at 500 levels. There was a W pattern, and see how price went after like that. So W pattern is mostly established at the end of downtrend. So you see this, there is a W pattern here. Let me zoom that. Once it went above this, and you see how the stock is after 500, how the stock is doing. And so you see the stocks different chart doesn't matter. What matters, same pattern, W pattern, same pattern is formed in all the stocks. I have till now listed 4 5 stocks, and same pattern is formed in all the stocks. So see, stock market, you don't need to know anything, just know one thing and you have to practice on that thing only. So let me give another example. RBL Bank. So price, like we said, price is falling from here, and we wait for price action. There was the first V shape, and if price went above this, then we would have bought. But what happened, the price went below this point. So according to this diagram, if price goes below this point, then we will not invest. So you see the price again started falling. And when to buy, see, there was a W pattern breakout. And it's like, if you see the W pattern breakout in this, let me make it zoom and clear. So this point, this, this, and then the breakout. But see, the breakout in one candle, almost the target was achieved. So you have to be careful how much is the target and when to buy. We should not buy in this point, right? So we have to, if there is, we know that above 137 there will be a breakout. So we can go, this is a weekly chart, we can go to the hourly chart, and we can find out if hourly close is above, see this, then there is a retracement. See, in weekly chart there was no retracement, but you can clearly see in the hourly chart there is a retracement, and you can buy in this. So that's how you can adjust and you can invest. So I hope things are getting clear now. And as per right now, the theory, only theory which you have to know is a W pattern, and you can clearly apply to it all the stocks. Let us look on the weekly chart again. Let me go back. So target in this was, this is 137, this is 100, so around 37 rupees was the target, and easily achieved in 1 week only. So 37 and around 30%, 40% invest in 1 week only. So that's how powerful this W shape pattern is. Let us move to the next chart. Next chart is NBCC. And do you see any W shape pattern in this? The pattern is right now not in the breakout state. So if this W shape gets completed, then you can expect around 10 rupees up move from 25 to 35 in this. So that will be a big up move next stock of 25 rupees. So wait for this breakout and then you can buy. Next chart is ICICI Prudential. So you see that price has moved above this W shape pattern, but the one thing which is not convincing is this bar. The breakout bar is a doji with volume. So it means that there is indecisiveness. So we should ignore such patterns. There is a W pattern breakout, but we should ignore it because it should be a complete bullish bar. If it's a doji, it means there is an indecisiveness between the buyers and sellers. So we should ignore this. It may happen the target may be achieved, but there are there are so thousands of stock, and where to take a risk of buying into indecisiveness, we should be on the confirmation. So if we get a bullish bar, then only we will buy. So next stock is UBL. So UBL, you can clearly see this is a W pattern breakout, and this target is still on. The target can be this area of this W shape pattern, and it may happen that this may fail also even after the breakout. So what we do to encounter those situations, that we draw a trend line like this, and if, see, it has not closed weekly close below this line. So if it closes below, we will, I mean, move out of the stock. But as per me, this is an important point in this because it may reverse from here. And if you go to the lower time frame from weekly to, let me go to the hourly, so you may see a reversal forming there. Let me show you that. So this is the hourly chart of the same stock. So Do you see any W shape pattern getting formed on the hourly chart? So see, similarly, like we see in the weekly chart, on the hourly chart also a W shape pattern kind of thing means a reversal. So if we see price going above this, then the pattern target will be similar, like this is 972 to 100, so around 20-30 rupees up move as per the hourly chart. So if you want to do intraday also, you can see, so similar theory on investment and similar theory on trading also. So you see what is the significance of this W pattern, and each and every chart, each and every stock, this pattern is so easily visible. So let us move to the next chart, which is IDFC First Bank. So yeah, this is the W shape pattern, and breakout has also happened this week. So you can expect target of 18 to 20, around 9 rupees up more around this. So we have to also note one thing, that these breakouts means that price may move, but it is not 100% proof that this will. So we should always keep the stop losses also. If the most evident stop loss will be if price goes below this level. Some people may also draw a trend line like this, and if price closes below this, they will get out. But actual stop loss for a W is below this line. So so we have to be careful, and we have to analyze the volume also, that behind this breakout, what is their volume, increase in volume and all those things. But mostly if things are I mean market supports, the W pattern is very effective. So let us now look at Axis Bank. I hope many people will be holding Axis Bank also. So you see this is the W pattern forming, and you see how easily from 4, if it went above 482, there will be a breakout, and how price was rejected in this, right? So there are always seller at this point to move the price below. So but if price moves above this and gives a close over there, then there will be a big breakout in Axis Bank, and target can easily be 150 points above 480 levels. So it will again climb to 600 levels as per me if price goes above 480. And if that happens, then you and Bank Nifty of course will be going back to its highs. So if it has to achieve 600, that will be a wise target. And you see the resistance also in this area, so it will be I mean advisable to book the profit in the resistance, and this is the part time to buy if it breakouts about this point. Okay, so next stock is Shriram Transport. See, W again, similar W pattern formed in each and every stock. When to buy if price goes above this. Right now, it's not in a trading zone. If price goes below it, then clearly it will fall. If price goes above it, then clearly this much range will be expected. So each and every stock, again and again, similar patterns, similar stocks, similar charts, nothing different. Similar, see again similar Indus India Bank, again similar W shape pattern. Real breakout if it goes above this. I think it has already given a breakout above this. So if things but see, sometimes like a stock like Indus India Bank, it is falling from 2000 levels. So we should always look for W pattern in an strong stock, because in a strong stock like Reliance, Hindustan Lever, Escorts, if there is a W pattern, you that target will definitely be achieved. But if it's a stock like Indus India Bank, it may happen that this is just a trap to trap you down, or because previously, if you see what happened previously, the price has been falling from 2000 levels. So it may be the end of downtrend in this stock, or it may not be achieved, because many people will not be interested in buying Indus India again. So only some people will be interested. So we have to choose our stock in on that basis also. What is the demand of the stock? If that W pattern is formed in a stock like Reliance, or it is formed in something like DMart, so there is a more probability that the stock will go up. But if it happens in a weak stock like India Bull Housing Finance, so there is a chance that this is a fake breakout, or this is like something that. So we have to be careful in our stock selection also if we want to invest for a longer time period. But if we want to do trading like for 1 week or something, then we can do this on weak stocks also. So next stock is Titan. See again a similar W pattern formed. Breakout has actually happened kind of, but since the bar is not perfect bullish, so I will be watchful. But it looks like a W pattern breakout, and we have to see in the coming weeks how it. But it looks like the price may go above. But if it was a bullish bar, completely bullish, then I would have been more confident. But it looks like that we may see some up move in Titan. Let us see, this will be the stop for this 940. If it falls below this, then this will be invalidated. But it looks like it may go little up. We have to see how it unfolds. Next stock, let us look at Gale. So Gale also, you see W pattern breakout happening, and it's still initial days. This bar is actually not that bullish, the breakout bar, so we have to be little. And the volume also is not great on that breakout, so we will kind of ignore this, because we have to be, this bar is the most important bar. If this bar is bullish and there is volume, then chances are very bright. But if this bar is weak and volume is also not there, so we should ignore those stocks. Next stock is CSE. So, like I said, there was a V-shaped recovery, and this is not the time to buy. When is the time to buy? Like in our diagram, I said V-shape, don't buy, then it will retrace and then it will go above. So now, if we compare this with CSE, this is the V-shape, then retraces, and it is trying to go above, but it is still not. So, breakout will happen above this level, but it is still not still hasn't gone above that level. So we will wait for the price action. Once price goes above, then there will be a breakout of W shape pattern. So let us look at another chart, which is Sun TV. So similar Sun TV, let me remove the drawings first. This is a V shaped, then price retraces, and now it has to go above this point. Then it will give a breakout. This is the time to buy, not this time, because we don't know up to which point it will go, and if it retraces back, will it retrace back below this, or will it go above? Once it goes above, then it will mean that it has up trend has changed in this stock. I hope this is clear now, and with each and every stock you see the similar patterns, so you will also know which stock to buy and which stock not to buy. HDFC. So see, HDFC is also near to the W pattern breakout. Breakout has not happened. See this. This is the point of breakout above 1900 levels, and uh, we may get a breakout, we may not get a breakout, because this candlestick is actually a reversal candlestick. And if we get a weekly close below this level, so it means the price will again fall. Because also knowledge of candlestick is important, because you see this is a reversal, and reversal will complete if it closes below this. However, if there is a bullish bar above this and all, then there will be a breakout, and target will be very, I think 500 points up move can come in HDFC above this point. So to 2400 will be the target. So it would be a very wise time to invest in HDFC if it gives a weekly close above this point. And I hope many people will be holding this stock, so it would be good news for them also. So let us move to the another chart, ICICI Bank. Again, it is on the stage of breakout. Similar W pattern visible. If it closes above this, it will be a breakout, and target easily will be height of this. So around 285 to, so around 100 rupees up move can easily be seen. So if it closes weekly close above this, and then on the retracement you buy, you will get 100 points. And these are weekly charts, friends, so you have to wait for months, 2 3 months to get the target, but that's how you do the investment. Next chart is infratel. So you see W pattern hit, like if you see this was the time when you see the W pattern breakout. Target was 130 to 180, 50 rupees target, easily exactly achieved. 240 to 180, 50 moves up move achieved. Now retracing, it will retrace to this line, then it may have a little up move because it's the first time it is visiting this support, so people will buy at this point. So that's how you, if you want to do short term trend, then you can buy at this and capture 10 20 rupees up move in this. But that is done when you move from the weekly chart, you move to the smaller time frame. Hourly, you see a W pattern formed in that smaller time frame, maybe 15 minute, 1 hour, then you will buy. This video is strictly about the investment, so we will not talk about those intraday trades in this, but the theory applies to that also. Let me move to another chart, which is LIC. Similar W shape. I mean, you will be so surprised how easily this W shape pattern is visible in each and every chart. Same chart, everything will be same. Breakout happens above this, buy. If its price is below this, do not do nothing. Price goes below, you can sell also. So wait for this W shape pattern breakout. Another chart, Ujivan. See, hit, like if you see the breakout in this W shape pattern breakout. Target also achieved. Target is 136 to 199, so around 60 rupees up move. Target achieved 260, definitely. So, and there was no retracement also. See how beautifully this W shape pattern works on all stocks. Let me go another stock, Tata Chemicals. See, do you see any W shape pattern? No, this is the V shaped recovery. Price retraces, and now if price goes above this, then it will be the breakout. Then we will be sure of buying, because retracement we don't know when it will start. And see, this is a single line retracement. It's very risky to buy in this retracement. Then breakout. Then yeah, many people will join and buy this stock. Another stock is Adani. See again V-shaped recovery, no retracement, retracing back. If it goes above this point, then W shape will be completed and target this much. So I hope this is getting clearer and clearer with each chart, and how now your eyes will be trained to see the W pattern and the target which you will be achieved. Ambuja Cements hit, like if you see the W pattern in this. This is the point to buy. And target, what will be the target for this? If you see this 140 to 170 and 40 rupees up move. So I think little thing is pending in this, so up to this 200 moving average, that target can come. So most of the target is achieved, but some little more points can come in this. But see how beautifully these W patterns work and investment works. Bank of Baroda. So do we see any W pattern in this? The pattern, I think, will work if you get a breakout over this level of 55. So we should wait for the breakout in this. Sriram Cements. It's like if you see the W pattern again. Let me. So this is the pattern. This V shape retracement breakout target is this much, and this. Next stock, this is Bank Nifty chart, and see similarly. Let same thing applies to Bank Nifty also. W shaped breakout. We haven't seen any significant big green bar above this break, and this is the point of breakout. So above this, if we see a bullish bar, then easily bigger targets will come in Bank Nifty, and similarly the stocks under Bank Nifty like Axis Bank said, a close above 482 will bring bigger targets of 100, 600 levels also in that. So all this will happen in sync with Bank Nifty. So if Bank Nifty we get a bullish candle, then that it's we can say that in the Axis Bank also we will get a bullish candle, and all these things will support that. So another stock is GM Infra. So 22 rupees stock again beautifully W shape pattern breakout. Target almost achieved in this. What is the target? 15 to, so around easily achieved in this. So it will be wise once target is achieved to trail. And how to trail? You can draw a trend line like this, and you can exit the trade when on the weekly basis the candle closes below this trend line. So as long as it is finding support, you can stay in the trade. So friends, we have covered a lot of stocks, and but the same thing is happening in all the stock. Next stock is Finance, Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. Again, similar W pattern. This breakout volume target almost 114 to 75, around 30-40 rupees up move achieved already. So see how fast target is achieved. So see how quickly I am analyzing all the chart, because same thing is happening in almost every chart. Adani Power, do you see breakout? Can go to Adani chart again. Uh, I don't see any powerful green candle in this above this line, so I will not take this trade. If it's a powerful candle, then you can expect this much target above this. Otherwise, I will not buy. JSWC, yes, we can see a candle. So yeah, we can be in this trade, and target is 142, so around 50 moves, 50 rupees up move can come. Around 250 will be the target, which will coincide with the 200 moving average of weekly. So yeah, that will be a good point to book. So yeah, if with this stop we can be initiate a trade in this. So all these are just my analysis, and you should consult your financial advisor before trading. But this is just an educational video, and same W pattern will be formed in each and every chart. Again, you see W pattern, but this bar should be a bullish bar, and this is not, is a doji, so we will not take this trade. Ashok Leyland, W pattern form, but breakout is not there, so we will wait for the breakout, and breakout happens, then easily you can say 15 rupees up move can come in this. Apollo tires, Apollo tires above this point, the candle is not bullish, so I will not take this trade. It may come, it may not come, I will not back this, because this candle is the most important and it should be the bullish candle. Dani, this is a bullish candle, and I think this can be bought here. Target is 30-40 points, you can expect, so around 180 190 can be expected. Dish TV, so Dish TV, it's V-shaped point retracement. If it goes over this, then you can buy. Target is also a bigger target will come, because this is the W, so it will be being baked out in this, and you can expect up to 14 also if price goes above this. Okay. Next stock is Rec India. So clearly the W pattern breakout has happened, and target is around 20 rupees, and which is already achieved here. So now it will come back here and it tests. So we have to wait for further price action, because target is already achieved. Century Textiles, W pattern will happen above this point, so it has not happened yet, so we will wait. Cummins India, see again, W pattern has not formed, so we will wait for the breakout. Federal Bank, see again, breakout has happened, but it's not a strong breakout, I can say. But yeah, target I think will be achieved, because this kind is bullish. So Uh, these targets are very fast, friends. So if we get a bullish, will be achieved in very fast. We have to be careful which stock to pick because the target should be big enough, or we should buy on retracement only. If the target is already achieved, then we should not buy. HDFC Bank, favorite stock of people. This is a bullish candle volume. So target 821 to 1000, around 200 points. I think little is pending, so we will see if that will be achieved or not. So as long as this trend line holds, this is very steep trend line. So as long as this holds, this possible little, very little up move up to this point, 1200 or so. We have to wait. Next is SPIN, SPI. Let me move the stock. So pattern breakout is yet to be there, and it will come above this point, and above this point you can expect this much. So next stock is Q Oil India. I think the breakout has already happened, and this is the right time to buy. So you can expect good 20-30 rupees up move in this. Tata Steel, clearly the W shape breakout has happened about this point. Uh, this is the retracement, this breakout. On the retracement we buy, and target is also achieved of this pattern, so we'll wait for further price action. NMDC also, this is the breakout. Mm, and volume is little low on this than I expect, but still this can be achieved the target. Next stock is Bale. Yeah, clearly this is a breakout candle, and it has flown from this. Now target is this is achieved. So around 10 rupees target was at 38 rupees, which is achieved more than that. So now I will wait for the retracement, then wait for further price action. LFT Finance breakout will happen above this level. That will complete the W shape pattern, and it is not there right now. Mother Sumi, clearly we can see breakout has happened, and yeah, it is retracement. It will get a bullish candle here somewhere. Stop will be this level 54, and target is easily if you 52, so you can easily expect 40-30 rupees 140 around. This will be area will the target. Vedanta, this was a W pattern breakout, and around 120 is the target, and which I think is almost achieved in this. Take there is a W pattern breakout. This was a W pattern breakout. Then retracement target is 575 to 487, 100 rupees target above 587. Oh, so 687 around is the target, which will be achieved, I think, in the coming week. This again pattern breakout in Kotak Bank. Pattern is not the breakout is not completed. Once it goes above this area, then pattern will be completed. UPL again, friends. This is a breakout, and now target is almost achieved. LT, the breakout has not happened yet, I think. So next stock is LT. So we can see this is not the, so the pattern breakout has not yet happened. So we will wait for the breakout because there should be a bullish candle above this. So next stock Bata India. So clearly, yeah, this is the breakout candle. The volume is not that great in this candle, so we will ignore this. So next is Bajaj Finserv. So clearly, this was a breakout candle, then retracement. This time was a point to buy, and the target is already achieved and more than all that. So we should wait for further price action in this. Next stock is Petronet. Clearly, the breakout in this. So target is around 50 points, which is also achieved. So we should wait for further price action. Glenmark Glenmark had a big rally, which was also breakout of this bar, and target was also achieved. So that's where the price traced it back very quickly. So we should wait for further price action. And one point is that if price comes back to this area, then it will be a good demand zone because this is the point where breakout happened. So this will be the point where people will buy. Havels. So Havels also has given a breakout. Volume is decent. So yeah, so I think this target is still open. 450 to 570, 675 will be the target. So yeah, 670, 675 will be the target. So it is on. And next is Ramco Cements. Yes, breakout has happened about this, and it looks like the target is achieved. So we will wait for further price action. Expired India breakout has not yet happened. Right now it will happen about this point. So there was a breakout here, but that target is already achieved. Now it's forming a different W pattern, and if it goes above, then this target will get bigger, and then you can buy. PFC breakout is not yet happened, so we will wait. Berger Paints breakout has not yet happened, so we will buy after this. Ultra Tech breakout has happened this bar, and this is the retracement in early zone, so we can buy in this. Torrent Pharma, Torrent Power. So also like this is not in downtrend, so W pattern does not hold here. So we will kind of use different technique in buying if we want to buy in this. So we will use the trend line technique. So we will buy whenever price comes, touches this area, it bounces, touches this area, bounces. So if we price comes this area, then it will bounce. So we will take a chance here. Next stock is Zeal. So it was a V-shaped rally, now retracement. So we'll buy only about 207. Till then, we will not buy in this stock. I hope this is clear that this is a V shape. We will not buy. We'll buy when W pattern gets completed of this. TVS motor. TVS motor. See, it looks like a V shaped, and we will wait for the retracement, then breakout. We will not buy like this because it looks like a V shape. HCL Taxi. HCL Tech had given a W shape here. So target is more than achieved. Another breakout here of this, another W shape pattern, and it's kind of in. If it comes back to this area, then we will take. But I think it will not come back, and it will give the target. Target is 400 to 560, around 150, 160. A move is there, so 700 to 720 will be the target in this. So M&M see again W shape pattern breakout, and it kind of explode after that, and it is like a V shape to me now. So it will retrace back, and then again if price goes over there, then there will be a fresh W shape pattern because then only buy. ACC ACC has given a W shape pattern, but this is not a convincing bar, so I will ignore this. NTPC is not has not given the W shape pattern yet, so we have to wait. Grasim has given a W shape pattern breakout, so target is still on, and it's early days, so you can take your chances in this with proper stop loss. Asian Paints W shape pattern is not formed yet, and this stock is also not in a downtrend yet, so we will use our trend lines in this. So how to so we will draw the trend line at the bottom of this. So whenever the price touches the bottom line, it flies. So if price comes here, we will take our chance. I hope this is getting clear. And next is Maruti. So we see this is a kind of breakout. This is not convincing, but this is so we can take our chance. It's a good stock. So looks like it can climb some. It has some up move left in this. MRF definitely a breakout candidate, and this is retracement, and it can catch up. Lupin had already given a breakout in after this, but this is like a V-shaped, and if it traces back and goes out, then we will be interested in buying. Right now it is in retracement phase. Let the price action happen. National has given a breakout, and there is good volume in this also. Little pullback was there, so but I think it's a good chance it will come back to this levels. So yeah, we can invest. Hindalco also has given a W-shaped pattern breakout in this. Target one around 40 rupees. Target is there 96 to 96, around 40-50 rupees target. So yeah, little target is left. IGL is not in a buying state, so it has given background downside. So it may fall more. So we will have to look for price action before we can buy in this. Boss has given a W-shaped pattern breakout here, and the target is also now achieved almost. So NCC has given a breakout above this level with good volume. So yeah, it's a good candidate to buy. Siemens is yet to give a breakout. Once it goes above this, W-shaped pattern will be completed. So that will be a buy. Tata Motors DVR has given a breakout, and yeah, it's a good time to buy. ITC, this bar has not good volume, so I will be a little careful in adding. But if it gives a close weekly close above this level, then it will be a good point to buy because these levels are tested again and again. So if we get good close above this with volume, then we can buy. Next stock is Page India, and if it closes above this, then W shape pattern will be completed. Right now it's not. Bajaj Finance, see how Bajaj Finance exploded because there was a W shape pattern in this above this bar with volume. And target is also achieved. Now we have to wait for further price action. Torrent Pharma, this is in a range, and once it goes above this, then there will be a breakout. It won't be a W shape because for W shape the price has to be in a downtrend. This is right now in an uptrend, so we will wait for further. Nifty, see Nifty similar pattern formed. W shape pattern was formed. Price in V shape, then retracement, then again bullish and breakout, and target is almost achieved now, and we have to wait for further price action. IOC, IOC, see this is a bullish bar and it's a breakout also. So we will with volume, so we can see some good up move in this also now. IOC, Hero Motograph, see this is a V-shaped rally and we will wait for some price action. Here it was a W-shaped pattern breakout and that target is achieved. Now it's a V-shaped rally and we will wait for retracement and then pattern happen. Then there will be a W-shaped pattern breakout. So next stock is Muthoot Finance. Again, you see this is W-shaped pattern breakout or double bottom breakout, and it has exploded now. And target is it's at all-time high also. So target was easily 400 500 points above 900, so that is almost achieved now. 1300 to 1400 is was the target. Now we have to see for further price action. Indigo has not given the W shape pattern breakout, and above 1200 and the pattern breakout will come. Till now we have to wait. Balakrishna India has already given the pattern and it has exploded. Now it will retrace and then again it will form kind of W shaped pattern and we have to wait. Chola Finance has already given a pattern breakout of W shape and it's early stage and still target is on around 240 is the target. 240 to 250 is the target for this. Amaraj Batteries pattern breakout has happened and it's kind of achieving its target. Eicher Motors already given breakout and target is also achieved now, so we should wait for further price action. Bale breakout already happened and it has flattened. Now we should wait for further. See, if once breakout happens, if we don't buy in the initial state, then we cannot buy in the middle of the trend like this. Breakout is fresh, but volume is not that great in this breakout bar, so we should be careful in adding Apollo hospitals. But breakout has happened, but volume is not that increased. BPCLC breakout happened, increase in volume. So yeah, it is a good time to add. Cipla volume is falling, price is rising. So we may see it may be a trap also. So we have to watch. Again, in fee, there was a W pattern breakout, price exploded, and target was around 200 300 rupees above 700, which is achieved already. So we have to wait now. Just pattern breakout will happen above 426 double share pattern. So we have to wait and watch for these levels. Cadila Health, it's an uptrend, so W share pattern does not hold, and it's in a range, so we have to look for further price action. SRF pattern breakout has happened, so target is still on, so we can invest. Similar breakout has happened in Marico, and yeah, the target is still on in this. Piramal Enterprise breakout was W shape pattern already happened. Target of 1400 also achieved. Now we should wait for further price action. We should only buy stocks that are as for investment purpose they look attractive and not in the middle of the trend. And this no trend is right now established, so we should wait this range. So we should in Pidilite. Dabur again, W pattern breakout will happen above this 500 levels, so we should wait. Dr. Reddy breakout already happened above this level, and target is also achieved here, so we should wait for further price action. Once price go above this 4000, then again we can buy. Wipro similar to Infosys, W shape pattern formed, breakout, target achieved. MFSL similarly fresh breakout happened above 491. Target I think is still pending, so you can still invest, but I think there's a resistance area, so it may retrace back a little. Best point to invest was here around 490 levels. Manapuram clear breakout of W pattern in this 137, target around 40-50 points achieved already. Voltas, this is the breakout bar of W pattern, volume increased. So yeah, this point is a good point for 50 levels. I think target is still pending, some 30-40 points of move is left. PVR breakout will happen above this level 1270, 1280, 1270 on a weekly basis, and that will complete the W shape pattern and it will explode after that. Bajaj Auto, so it is W pattern was here, but now it looked like a V-shaped rally, so yeah, it has to retrace back for further up move. Nestle India, it's in uptrend, so W pattern does not hold. So we can, if we want to invest in these kind of stocks, so we should follow different approach, which is the trend line approach. So whenever the price comes near to this trend line, we should buy. So if price comes near to this trend line, we should buy. Concur it has fallen. Then there was a W shape pattern breakout. Hit like if you see that pattern. Bar is not that convincing, so we should normally ignore such trades. So, but yeah, it went up with the target. Next, Godrej EGP. So yeah, we can see pattern breakout in this. Again, this is doji. After this bar, we can buy because volume also increase in this bar. So target I think is still achievable. There's some target left in this stock. Sale. Yes, there is a breakout. Around 10 rupees target was there. 42. So I think still little left. Next stock is Coal India. Breakout is not happened. Breakout will happen about 150 and target will be 180 because it's 30-point range. Power grid and this is a good bar breakout bar, so I think it can rise in some weeks. Target can be 20 about 170 to 20, so around 180 190 should be the target. Tata Motors breakout retracement again bought, so little target is pending. Escorts see breakout level, bottom breakout was here and then it kind of flied up. Target is right now it's in V shape, so we should wait for the retracement and then look for W shape pattern breakout. Coal pal again, there is no W shape, so we should wait. TCS W shape pattern came here and then it kind of flow, so now we should wait for retracement and then again pattern formation. Or when the pharma above this point, there was a W shape pattern breakout and it flown away. I think only one target is achieved of 800. If we consider this as the bottom, then it can go up to 1000 also, but we have to wait because sometimes this only is considered. So we have to wait if it goes out this resistance level, then it can go to 1000 level also. Bharti Airtel, it's in uptrend, so right now we can't see a W-shaped pattern in this. So we have to apply this trend line method in this. So if price comes in this area, then we will buy. Otherwise, we will wait. DLF, we don't see pattern completed above 170. The W-shaped pattern will be completed. Davis Lab, it's in uptrend, so there is no W-shaped pattern in this also. Britannia, there was a W-shaped pattern. Breakout has happened, so it was a good time to buy here. But now not, it is way above our levels, so we should not buy right now. And IT Tech breakout has happened, yes. So we can buy on retracements. McDowell breakdown happened here, and target is almost achieved here. So we should wait for retracements. Mindtree, it's in a range. If you see the weekly chart, it's in this range. Breakout will happen above this level, so we should wait for the breakout about 170 levels, then the W shape pattern will be completed. Biocon already breakout happened about 370, target also achieved about 450, so now we should wait for retracements. Hindustan Lever, its stock is never in downtrend, so again similar retracement to the trend line we can buy. Hind Petro, there is a W pattern formed, but breakout has not happened right now, so we should wait for a convincing bar above this level. Equitas, similarly, there's a breakout, yes, so we can invest in this. Sun Pharma, It's a range, no W pattern. It's like a V shape, so we should wait for retracement and then breakout. IBL Finance, there was a W shape pattern here. Target is also achieved, so we should wait for further patterns. Reliance, it's an all-time high. The above 1600 was a lifetime high, so target as per this pattern comes out to be 800 points above 1600, so around 2400 is should be the target, but I doubt whether that will come, because if you see this move, it is without any retracement, so there can be retracement. Best point to enter will be around 1600 levels if that comes, because it is a breakout point and we should wait for this retracement. Jindal Steels, again this is a W shape pattern, and you see this pattern breakout, target is also achieved. Now we should wait for retracement. Idea, again it's a W shape pattern in this. Target was above 3 was around 4.5 rupees. So 812 was a target which is also achieved. Now wait for the retracement and another patterns. So I think I have covered almost all the stocks. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and in the comment section you can tell me which other video you want me to make. Thank you.